Hello, I'm going to making the Buddha delight today, and I have about 6 ounce tofu. For the tofu, I going to spray some oil in it. Then I put about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in it. And I'm going to put it in the oven. I just show you how I did it first. And you turn on, put it in the oven about 350 for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, they're going to be turned out like this. This is already did, put it in the oven. Also, I have 4 ounces of broccoli, 3 ounces of Shanghai pak choy, 2 ounces of sugar peas, and 1 ounce of onion, and about 2 ounces of red pepper, and about a couple slices of ginger. And also I have a few pieces of Chinese mushroom. For the mushroom, you soak it in the water for 30 minutes and you cut into pieces. And for the sauce, I use 1/3 cup of water and 2 tablespoons called vegetarian oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the vegetarian oyster sauce in first, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and half teaspoon of sugar. And I mix. Okay, I'm going to sit it on the side, and I have a boiling water already, so I put oil in it. Then I put the broccoli in it. I let the broccoli cook for a second first. Then I start putting the Shanghai pak choy and some sugar pea. The mushroom I'm going to leave it, so I'm going to cook the first. And also I have about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, so I mix. Okay, that looks good. I set it on the side. Okay, that looks good. I like the vegetable more crispy, so I don't like it cook it too long. So I'm going to remove it. Okay. I think the wok is hot. I put a little bit oil in it. Then I'm going to be stir fry the ginger first. The onion. Some mushroom. Then I put a red pepper in it. Then I'm going to put all the veggie in it. I put all the tofu in it too. Okay, I'm going to put all the sauce in it. And I'm going to put some cornstarch in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Alright, I'm going to put some mint for garnish on top of that order. So how I make today the border delight.